Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up the Messenger app on your Windows 10 device. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, just by left clicking on the Start button one time. And now you want to type in Store. Best man should say Store right above Trusted Microsoft Store app. You want to proceed to left click on this selection. Now you might have to give the store a moment to load here. And now up at the top underneath search in the search bar, you want to type in Messenger, and then you want to hit enter. One of the best matches should say Messenger and free. Just left click on it. The icon should resemble what I have right here. And again, just left click on this get button. So left click on get, it'll begin downloading this. And it will take a few moments to run, so please be patient. Okay, so now once it's done, just left click on the launch button right here. And you can also pin it to the start menu as well. If you get a little notification down here, feel free to pin it to the start menu. So when you open up the start menu, you will see an option if you have the column view on the left open here. And you can always just go underneath apps and then open up Messenger as well. So you can see we are loading it right at this moment. So at this point, you just would enter in your email or phone number, password, or if you're going to just create a new account, you can just create a new Facebook account down here. But pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.